गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम टीजीटी आर्ट्स कमीशन 2019 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। द टैक्सी ब्रोक डैश ऑन द वे टू बस स्टैंड, डी डाउन। मैंने राइट आंसर रेड सर्कल से मार्क किए हैं। प्लीज़ दूसरे टेक्स्ट को इग्नोर कर दीजिए। एज रमेश इज बेडरिडन, ही इज कन्फाइंड डैश हिज हाउस, डी टू। वर्ड्स और phrases inscribed on a person's tomb, C. Epitaph. Abstinence from marital sexual relations, C. Celibacy. The synonym of chastity is B. Innocence. The synonym of haughty is C. Arrogant. The antonym of tedious is D. Exciting. The antonym of moderate is B. Radical. Select the misspelled word. B. Haphazard. Select the misspelled word. C. Ancestral. Choose the word which can correctly substitute the underlined part of the sentence. It was difficult to make out what Harsha was saying. B. Hear or understand. He is driving very fast because he is B. in a hurry. Select the correct opinion which best expresses the meaning of the idiom phrase. Take the bull by the horn. A. Confronting a problem head on in a determined and confident way. Select the correct option which best expresses the meaning of the idiom phrase. An olive branch. D. An offer of peace or truce. Ramesh is dash boy. B. An dash Quran is the sacred book of the Muslims. C. The Sukhvinder does not know Tamil. Change the voice. B. Tamil is not known to Sukhvinder. Who will pay the bill? Change the voice. D. By whom will the bill be paid? Switzerland has a charming landscape. Choose the adjective. C. Charming. Give plural of commando. B. Commandos. COMMANDOS. शुद्ध शब्द चुनिए. B. विजातीय. शुद्ध शब्द चुनिए. डी. बहिर्जगत. निम्नलिखित में से महाप्राण का चयन कीजिए. ए. स. सूक्ष्म का विलोम है. डी. स्थूल. अग्रज का विलोम है. डी. अनुज. रसना का पर्यायवाची है. सी. जिह्वा. खल का पर्यायवाची है. बी. अधम. पुष्प की अभिलाषा किसकी रचना कविता है? सी. माखनलाल चतुर्वेदी. धन शब्द का विशेषण है. सी. धनवान. निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा स्वर नहीं है? ए. ग. यद्यपि का संधि विच्छेद है. डी. यदि जमा अपि. उन्मूलन का संधि विच्छेद है. सी. उत जमा मूलन. आवश्यकता से अधिक वर्षा होना. सी. अति वृष्टि. सुंदर की उत्तमावस्था इनमें से कौन सी सही है? डी. सुंदरतम. जिसे कभी बुढ़ापा ना आए, डी अजर। कनक कनकते 100 गुणों, मादकता अधिकाय, वा खाए बोराय नर, ना पाए बोराय। पंक्तियों में किस अलंकार का प्रयोग हुआ है? बी यमक। घोड़ा बहुत तेज दौड़ा, वाक्य में बहुत तेज क्या दर्शाता है? डी क्रिया विशेषण। रमेश बलिष्ठ कदकाठी का मालिक है, वाक्य में किस विशेषण का प्रयोग हुआ है? डी गुणवाचक विशेषण। चौधरी का स्त्रीलिंग है? डी चौधरानी। आर प्रत्यय लगकर बनने वाला शब्द? सी सुनार। व्हाट इज एक्सियोलॉजी? सी लॉजिक, ग्रामर, मैथमेटिक्स। Marxist educational philosophy is closer to dash. A. Realism. On whose leadership is founded the university at Pondicherry? C. Sri Aurobindo. Who among the following propounded socialism in education? D. Stalin. Education develops child's dash. D. Innate powers. Medieval period was dominated by dash education. C. Islamic. A school is a miniature dash. C. Society. Performance tests are termed as B. Non-verbal test. According to psychology, all education is D. Self-education. Who among the following was the first man to describe null hypothesis? A. William James. Psychoanalysis was propounded by dash. D. S. Fayed. IQ is equal to MA upon CA into 100. The above equation was developed by C. Binet. Cognition can be stated as dash. B. Knowing. Creativity increases with dash. C. Experience. Mental deficiency indicates IQ ranges B. 50 to 70. Complex of colleges is called dash. B. Federal University. The aim of education in Vedic system of education is C. Preservation of culture. The main feature of Muslim education was C. Propagation of Muslim religion. Indigenous schools were appreciated by B. Adam. Secondary Education Commission was established in C. 1952. Kothari Commission was formed under Education Minister C. M.C. Chagla. A draft of challenges in education was published in B. August 1985. A child from a disorganized home will experience the greatest difficulty with B. Independent study. Suppose 14 years old girl taken to wearing the same style sweaters that her teacher wears. Then this form of behavior is known as C. Identification. The essential object for the full development of young ones is A. Games and sports. If you wish to maintain a sweet relation with others, the important tool for you is D. To trust them honestly. To control the population growth in our country, suitable way is B. By spreading attractive programs through public media to make people conscious of a small family and its advantage. The best way to rid a boy of his misbehavior is C. to educate him constantly. Who is teaching through deductive method? B. From general to specific. In which education system student was termed as Shraman? C. Buddhist. Which one among the following places receives the lowest rainfall? C. Kaja. Himachal Pradesh came into being on 15th April 1948 and had 4 districts at what time? Which one among the following district was not the part of district? D. Bilaspur. In 1948, Himachal had 4 districts: Chamba, Mahasu, Sirmaur, Mandi. In 1951, HP became a Part C state under a governor. At that time, what was the number of MLAs in the Legislative Assembly? B. 36. When Himachal Road Transport Corporation HRTC was set up? A. 2nd October 1974. As per the data provided by Economics and Statistics Department for the year 2014-15, which one of the following facts is not true in respect of HP? C. Himachal has got a High Court located at Shimla and Public Service Commission located at Hamirpur. In this statement, first statement is true. The Himachal has got a High Court located at Shimla. This statement is true. The second statement, Public Service Commission, is located at Shimla also, Nigam Vihar, Chota Shimla, right? और जो हमीरपुर में है that commission is हिमाचल प्रदेश स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन. जो ये TGT के पेपर भी जो है वो हमीरपुर कमीशन ही कंडक्ट करता है. आप जो है वो एग्जामिनेशन पर्पस से बाकी स्टेटमेंट्स भी लर्न कर सकते हो. ये सारी स्टेटमेंट्स और सही हैं. Physiographically, which one of the following areas is not included in dry temperate? Alpine highlands. D. Bhatiyat Valley of district Chamba. River Beas doesn't flow through the district. B. Bilaspur. As per the 2011 census, which one of the following fact is not true in respect of HP? D. The decennial growth rate is 14.3% during 2001-2011. बाकी और स्टेटमेंट्स जो हैं वो सही हैं. आप कंपटीशन पर्पस से इन स्टेटमेंट्स को भी लर्न कर सकते हो. Himachal Pradesh is termed as horticulture state of India due to the production of B. Apple. What is the density of motorable roads per 100 square kilometer of area in HP as stood at the end of 2014-15? A. 63.08 kilometer. In which district Chandranahan and Karali lakes are located? C. Shimla. Mukila Glacier is located in which one of the following regions? A. Bhaga Valley. Who is the author of the book Himalayan Polyandry? C. D.N. Mazumdar. Minjar Fair is the important fair celebrated in Chamba district. What does Minjar represent? For D. Maize flowers. During First World War 1914-18 AD, then Raja of Chamba state, Raja Bhuri Singh Dash B helped the British government. What is the time period of revolution of a geostationary satellite? B. 24 hours. Which planet is closest to the sun? A. Mercury. The disease not transmitted by housefly is C. Dengue fever. The first effective vaccine against polio was prepared by A. Johns E. Salk. Ampicillin is used as on D. Antibiotic drug. Raindrops are spherical due to B. Surface tension. The name Tim Cook is associated with B. Apple Inc. Justin Trudeau is the D. Prime Minister of Canada. The world's largest film city, Ramoji Film City, is located at C. Hyderabad. Pratyusha Banerjee, who was recently found dead April 2016 in her home in Mumbai, was a D. TV artist. Deepa Karmakar, who has recently been selected for Rio Olympics, is associated with B. Gymnastic. Dash Bank has recently, in May 2016, became the first financial institution of India to tie up with the BRICS grouping, promoting new developmental bank for a partnership in bond insurance, co-financing and treasury management, etc. BICCI. Dash was the chief guest on India's 67th Republic Day. D. F. Holland. Zika virus is spread by C. Mosquito. Which of the following countries has won the ICC Women's T20 Cup Finals 2016 in April 2016? C. West Indies. Gross National Product GNP is B. Total domestic and foreign output claimed by resident of the country. The consumer surplus can be defined as C. Difference between actual price and potential price. Which state has the maximum branches of public sector commercial banks? C. Karnataka. Which of the following at present is the country's largest gas producer? A. Reliance Industrial Limited. Mira Seth Committee was related to A. Development of handlooms. Disguised unemployment is the prominent feature of C. Primary sector. The open market operations refer to the sale and purchase by the RBI of C. Government securities. VAT scheme is expected to D. Avoid repeated payment of duty from the raw material stage to the final product and thus reduce. All revenues received, loans raised and money received in repayment of loans by the Union government go into C. Consolidated Fund of India. If an economy is in equilibrium at the point where plans to save and plans to invest are equal, then government expenditure must be B. Equal to government income. Which committee was constituted for reforms in tax structure? D. Kelkar Committee. Socialism is in favor of D. Equal opportunities. Which of the following is not a canon of taxation given by Adam Smith? D. Canon of elasticity. Canon of taxation given by Adam Smith are of four types: canon of equity, canon of certainty, canon of convenience, and fourth one is canon of economy. The best indicator of economic development of any country is D. Its per capita income. If cash reserve ratio CRR is reduced, supply of money and volume of credit A increases. Monetary policy of country is framed by A. RBI. The focus of 5-year plan was on A. Industry. Devaluation of the currency is associated with A. Reduction in the value of currency. The budget where income is greater than expenditure is called as A. Surplus budget. Which of the following names is associated with Green Revolution as its chief architect? D. M.S. Swaminathan. What is the condition of total utility when marginal utility is positive? C. Increasing. The Chalcolithic people used to write on. D. Did not know the art of writing. Dash was the crop produced by the Indus people, which the Greeks termed as Sindon. C. Cotton. Which Indus Valley civilization site would you associate with the bronze statue of dancing girl? D. Mohenjo-daro. Caste system in India. D. Became rigid during later Vedic age. Buddhism was divided into Mahayana and Hinayana during the reign of B. the Mauryas. Jain scripture have been written in C. Brahmi. Dash was the chairman of the first Tamil Sangam. D. Agastya. Buddha Charita was written by D. Ashwaghosha. Who among the following was the last Mauryan ruler? D. Brihadratha. Which of the following rulers, kings of ancient India, has been depicted on his coins playing the lute veena? C. Samudragupta. Which of the following sultans of Delhi has mentioned of his name in the literary work Padmavat written by Malik Muhammad Zyasi? C. Alauddin Khilji. Which of the following Sufi silsila was the most popular silsilas in India? B. Chishti. Who brought 02 Ashokan pillar from Topra, Ambala and Meerut to Delhi? A. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who was defeated in the second battle of Tarain? D. Prithviraj Chauhan. पृथ्वीराज चौहान और मोहम्मद गौरी के बीच में 2 बैटल्स हुई थी. बैटल ऑफ तराइन. फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ तराइन was fought in 1191 in which Muhammad Gauri was defeated, and in second battle of Tarain Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated, which took place in 1192. Who introduced Cheras and Dug as a major military reform? D. Alauddin Khilji. Who looted Delhi and imprisoned the Mughal emperor in 1739? D. Nadir Shah. Rana Sanga was defeated by Dash in the historical battle of Khanwa. C. Babur. Hyder Ali of Mysore took the assistance of Dash to modernize his military. D. French. Which poet from Akbar's court translated part of Leelavati and Katha Sarita Sagar into Persian? C. Faizi. Battle of Talikota took place in the year D. 1565. Name the Sikh Guru who developed a new script called Gurumukhi. C. Guru Angad. Who was the first British to get a farman from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir to establish a factory at Surat in 1613? C. Captain William Hawkins. Who led the Maratha force in the third battle of Panipat? C. Sadashiv Rao Bhaug. Third battle of Panipat took place in 1761. In which session did the Congress split up into 2 wings, the moderates and the extremists? A. Surat. The Great Revolt of 1857 started from D. Meerut. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru were tried for the murder of British police officer A. J.B. Saunders. In which year the Crisp mission arrived in India? C. 1942. Who founded Aligarh College in 1875? B. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. During which nationalist movement the Garhwal soldier refused to fire on the people at Peshawar? B. Civil disobedience movement. Widow Remarriage Act was passed in the year 1856 with the efforts of D. Ishwar Chandra Vidya Sagar. Which of the following words does not appear in the preamble of Constitution? D. Patriotic. Generally, the Union territories are governed by D. Union government. Dash appoints the Chief Minister of a state. B. Governor of the state. Which of the following states has bicameral legislature? C. Uttar Pradesh. The Indian Constitution has borrowed the idea of suspension of fundamental rights during emergency from D. Germany. Under which of the following circumstances can the President declare an emergency? D. 1, 2 and 4. External aggression, armed rebellions, financial crisis. Which of the following describes India as a secular state? D. Preamble to the Constitution. Right to constitutional remedies comes under A. Fundamental rights. What is the maximum number of elected members in a state assembly? C. 500. The Prime Minister is may D. Do all the above. Head of the government, the leader of the Lok Sabha, change the portfolios of the minister at will. Right to Information Act came into being in the year C. 2005. One must be dash to become the Vice President of India. C. 35. The 35 एज क्राइटेरिया जो है वाइस प्रेसिडेंट और गवर्नर टू कंटेस्ट द इलेक्शन. The removal of the president from office is to be in accordance with article dash of the constitution. C. 61. The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is A. 250. Dash is the apex body under local self-government in urban area. D. Municipal corporation. Dash is the best example of direct democracy in India. C. Gram Panchayat. Give a meaningful order to the following words in ascending order. C. 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. Office clerk, collector, chief secretary, governor, president. Who said democracy is a government of the people, by the people and for the people? D. Abraham Lincoln. The Supreme Court of India comprises of the Chief Justice of India and dash other judges. C. 30. The report of the Public Accounts Committee is presented to C. Lok Sabha. The heavenly bodies that revolved around their respective planets are called C. Satellites. Dash are made up of dust and frozen gases. B. Comets. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through D. Maharashtra. Gandhi Sagar Dam is in dash state. B. Madhya Pradesh. Dash is the smallest state of India area wise. C. Goa. Dash color is used to represent plateau on a map. B. Brown. Dash river is known as the Ganga of South. D. Kaveri. Pushkar Lake is in dash state. B. Rajasthan. Which of the following countries is famous for its coral reef? C. Australia. Which of the following states of India does not touch the boundaries of Pakistan? D. Haryana. Dash is known as the rice bowl of India. B. Andhra Pradesh. Kaziranga National Park is in C. Assam. Which of the following state is famous for its Bhilai steel plant? A. Chhattisgarh. The countries connected by the Park Strait are D. India and Sri Lanka. Which state would you associate with Pir Pranjal range? C. Jammu and Kashmir. Which continent is home of largest number of countries? C. Africa. The mountain range Alps is located in A. Europe. The famous port Nagapattinam is located in the states of B. Tamil Nadu. Pong Dam is associated with river B. Beas. The city popularly known as Island of Cloves is C. Zanzibar. Who is the Union Minister of Human Resource Development? D. Smriti Irani. She was Union Minister Human Resource Development in 2014 to 2016. At present, Ramesh Pokhriyal is the Human Resource Minister. Who has been awarded Dada Saheb Phalke Award in the 63rd National Film Award Ceremony this year? D. Manoj Kumar. The tribe Pangwals is associated with dash state? C. Himachal Pradesh. The famous traditional dance Roof or Rauf is associated with dash state? C. Jammu and Kashmir. The Gayatri Mantra is dedicated to D. the sun Surya. In Hindu mythology, dash took the disguise of Mohini to help the gods to carry away the Amrit. C. Vishnu. Select the odd one out. B. Currency. Select the word which cannot be formed using the letter of the given word. Infrastructure. D. Intercaste. Complete the series 1TU, 3SV, 5RW, 7QX. D. 9PY. आप अगर इसमें सीक्वेंस देखें तो 1, 3, 5, 7 these numbers are odd numbers. So next odd number is 9. अब सेकेंड पोजीशन पे TSRQ दिया है, तो अगर आप ABCD को बोलें तो PQRST, तो ये P जो है ये 2 उसमें आ रहे हैं, ऑप्शंस में आ रहे हैं B और D में. ठीक है, तो अब नेक्स्ट जो है दैट इज UVWX, नेक्स्ट इज Y. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.